Are you looking for the best Nikon cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best Nikon cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is one of the best Nikon cameras for photography that we've tested. While it sits below higher-end models like the Nikon Z8 and the Nikon Z9, this is a highly versatile camera body for both hobbyists and enthusiasts at a more attainable price point than its higher-end siblings. It's worth noting, however, that the Nikon Z6 III has now been released and offers some significant improvements. We've yet to test it, but it's likely to knock its predecessor from the top spot once we do. Still, the Z6 II has a lot to offer, including a 14 frames per second mechanical burst rate and good autofocus. It's no slouch in the video department either, with 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, albeit with a significant crop, dual memory card slots, including a high-speed CF Express card slot, and in-body image stabilization (IBIS). However, it's a bit outclassed when it comes to more advanced video features, with no internal 10-bit or log recording options. That aside, it handles like a dream, with excellent ergonomics and a highly intuitive user interface.